First things first, let's break down the abbreviation. SSK stands for slip, slip, knit. This decrease technique involves slipping 2 stitches individually as if to knit, then knitting them together through the back loops. To SSK, follow these simple steps: slip 1 stitch knitwise from the left needle to the right needle, then slip another stitch knitwise from the left needle to the right needle. Now, insert the left needle into the front loops of the slipped stitches from left to right, and knit them together through the back loops. And there you have it, a beautifully executed SSK decrease. This technique creates a smooth and elegant left-leaning decrease, perfect for shaping necklines, sleeves, and more in your knitting projects. In conclusion, mastering the SSK decrease is a valuable skill that will elevate your knitting projects to new heights. With practice and patience, you'll soon be incorporating this elegant decrease into your knitting repertoire with confidence. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.